YouTube, man. It's y'all boy Demon Time Mo, man. And y'all know what time it is. Hey, look, man, I got a POV for y'all, man. It's going to be a late night POV. So, look, man, I hope y'all like this video, man. I hope y'all like the last one I dropped when I was changing my brakes. So, I told y'all I was going to be bringing y'all a point of view. We're going to do a late night point of view for y'all. So, we're going to be riding around the rack. Shit, I hope y'all see some exciting shit today, man. Like, it's supposed to be busting out here. So, hope y'all see some exciting stuff, man. We finna get a late night POV. And if you're new to that channel, man, make sure y'all hit that sub button for y'all, boy, man. Make sure y'all drop down a like on this video. And I hope y'all keep subbing up, man. I think we just hit 4K subscribers today. So, we just hit 4K subscribers. We on the road to 10K. So, listen, man. I appreciate all the love I've been getting, man. We on the YouTube right now. So let's do it, man. Y'all know what time it is. We gone. So look, man, we just got the Demon out here. We got the big tracky right here, man. We got the jailbreak red eye, big joint back there. We got my slimes out here, man. Gang. They finna ride with me. Y'all ready? Y'all finna get a bus or what? Finna get a bus. So I got gang. They finna be with me with the late point of view. Y'all know the vibes. Y'all know how we be coming. We outside, man. And I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. I was supposed to be in Alabama today, man. I'm sorry I didn't make it out to Alabama, man. I wish I could have made it out there, bro. Couldn't get my car hauled down there, bro. Had some late cancellation when we was meeting up. So hopefully we can do another one on another trip or whatever the case may be, man. But I'm definitely bringing the Demon to different cities so y'all get a chance to see the thing in person, man, before I change the wrap on it, bro. Because the wrap will be coming soon. Hopefully I can get it done in July. That's the plan. So, man, I hope y'all rock with this video, man. I hope y'all drop a like down on this video, man. I hope y'all keep subbing up to y'all boy Demon Time Mo, man. I'm trying to take y'all, you know what I'm saying? Show y'all the Demon. So he will go on with the Demon, how we be coming. So they be getting wrecked all day long in the Demon. Y'all know the vibes, man. Y'all know what's going on, man. Look at that bad boy. Clean, folks. Oh, my mama. So clean, bro. Jesus Christ. And then I ain't gonna lie to y'all, we gotta get this piece on both sides fixed, man. The person that wrapped my car, bro, they did me so bogus, bro. But we're going to get that taken care of when we get the new wrap put on there. So I can't even change it right now because it ain't even going to look right having the, stock one on there. So we're going to get that changed up for y'all. But as y'all can see, man, the Demon look clean, bro. Look at it, bro. Like, it's really clean. And I just want y'all to see this in person because seeing it in person and seeing it on camera, it don't even look totally different, folks. But it's definitely hard. I ain't like it's hard. We got the big tracky yaki right there, man. Y'all see what's going on. Big track. Y'all know what's going on. Ooh, supercharged. All supercharged. You already know what's going on, man. So, look. Let's go ahead and get into this POV. Y'all, let's go. So, as y'all can see, man, we in that big Demon, man. Y'all know the vibes. Y'all know what's going on. Finna get some gas real quick. My mans and them need to fill up. But y'all know what's going on. We finna get y'all this point of view in this striker Demon. So we in a striker Demon right now, man. Y'all ain't never seen nobody strike a Demon, but we in a striker Demon. So, man, y'all know what's going on, man. Striker, y'all know we gotta have the things on, man. We ain't leaving no evidence in that striker thing, though. Y'all know what's going on. So, yeah, we finna get some gas. Got the gang behind us right now. But we in that thing, man. Let's get it. Y'all know one thing about the Demon I think that I really, really love, bro, about the Demon. I think my favorite thing with the Demon is under the hood, bro, where it says air grabber, bro. That's what sold me with this car, bro, is the air grabber, bro. Like, under the hood is so hard, bro. Hold on. Bro, right there. Oh, we can take this pump. I'm gonna park in front of him real quick. Y'all see that green thing back there? Look at that. Oh, my mama. I'm finna take this lady spot real quick. Take her spot real quick. We got the track hawk back there. As y'all can see, y'all know what's going on. Make sure ain't nobody behind us. They better get from behind me, bro. What's wrong with them? Look at him. He thirsty. Look at him. Move out the way, folks. Stop being thirsty. And this lady needs to hurry up so I can pull in this spot real quick. But we take her car, folks. We gonna take her car before she keep playing, folks. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Y'all ready to hear this bad boy whine or what, though, man? I can't wait to get on this E-way and act bad for y'all. Right now, we in eco mode. But when we get on the E-way, we're going to make sure we're not in eco mode. He'll be mad if I hit this car right now. Hey, 10, for you'll be mad if I hit your car right now, bro. But yeah, though, we at this gas station, man. I know the vibes. Let's get it. Just got the call from my mans and them. They finna pull up too. The other gang finna pull up. What you finna? Yeah, I'm ready. What you finna? Give me some gas or something? You about to Glow say, hey, Glow, you finna fill me out, gang? Yeah, I got you. Hey, Glow, I need 100 on pump. Hey, Glow got me on 100 on pump. Hey, I think what's the name was gonna pull up? David was check the season. I think they was in the check time when they finna pull up. I told him he's at Quick Trip and Lance or something. They want to pull up, they can pull up. All go down there together. Yeah, see shit. Alright, this shit.
Hey, y'all ain't trying to race though. Y'all ain't trying to race.
He say what?
Y'all ain't trying to race, boy. Y'all ain't trying to get loose.
Man, what you working with over there for us to race? What you working with us to get loose? What up, man? What you working with for us to get loose, bro? Tell me what's up.
Look, man, it ain't fucking with me, man.
It ain't?
I'm trying to say it ain't fucking with me.
Ah, what you got though, girl? You not saying what you got? Shut so the back, hold on, wait. So the Malibu versus the Demon. Malibu, Demon, folks. Malibu, Demon. I ain't gonna lie, Chevy boys, y'all up 100 points right now. He trying to backdoor me, Molly, boy. He trying to backdoor me. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. Hey, make sure you set that up. We gonna set it up. We gonna set it up, man. Malibu versus the Demon, boy. We gonna see who win. He might get me. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But you ready to slide? What y'all wanna do? Y'all ready? What you filled up?
Yeah, I feel good.
I ain't got money, so you just fill the track. You just fill the track up, what? Oh, you had to put $40 in there before you just filled up.
Hey.
All right, he coming in front. Hey, fuck his move. He fuck his move. Hey, nah, let's get it, man. We on full tank, so we gotta get that full tank. Y'all know what's going on, man. So look, man, we go. We going then. I could call folks to see what they at, but we going. Let's get it cracking, man. Let's do it. Let's get this point of view going. Let's get it. Before we finally made it to the E-way for y'all, man. We finna let y'all hear this thing, man. We got a lot of cats behind us. Oh my gosh, we got the gang behind us right now, man. Finna bring y'all a lit point of view for y'all, man. That's a lit point of view. We interact with this point of view. We finna get it cracking. Oh my God, y'all here? Y'all here? Y'all here? Yeah. She ready to cut up. She ready to cut up. She ready to cut up for y'all. I promise you she ready to do it. Shout out to see, man. So, we got the Demon, man. Y'all know what's going on. We got a lit point of view. Obviously, doing the 808 right now. One of these days, man, I'm gonna show y'all a video with the 840 octane so y'all can hear that. That sound crazier than this, bro. But we out here, y'all know what's going on. Woo, shoot, she found good, don't she? Yeah. Yeah, we finna waste a lot of gas for y'all. I'm finna waste a whole full tank of gas for y'all, bro. Just bringing out this video, making one of those whole tank of gas. And we got them joints behind us, man. We got them joints behind us, man. So we finna do it. Yeah. Let y'all hear that real quick. Right, let's get it. Hopefully gang it. I'm gonna show y'all how we riding. Hold on. He acting bad. He acting bad to track it. Oh, mom, he acting bad to track. See that guy? Woo. So you acting bad that mom. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. What's going on? That's a lot of wind. A lot of wind. Yeah, we outside. We're outside with my gang, man. Hopefully we get some open road, man. Hopefully I'm gonna give y'all a little roller real quick. If I can get us a roller, then that's lit for sure. Yeah. Oh my gosh, she sounds so good. She sounds so good. I be hating when like cars get in front of me, bro. Like, oh, it's traffic. No, bro, you people can't drive in Iraq, bro. Gang. Oh my gosh, bro. We should have went 57, bro. Yo, this is ridiculous, bro. Look at all this traffic, folks. Before we finna have to bust you, we finna have to go down through the city, man. I mean, through the birds on 147.
It's gonna be backed up like a motherfucker.
I know, I just said we gotta get off back here. I just said that we finna go back through here. I'm finna turn around. I'm finna turn around. Hold on. I ain't trying to get my car hit real quick. Hey, we gotta turn around. Man, we're gonna have to go 57 right now, bro. This is ridiculous, bro. It's crazy out here, bro. Not even gonna lie to you. Turn around, turn around. Turn around. Just flash the lights for you. Turn around. Do not go that way. I swear to y'all, bro, I cannot even see right now, bro. It's so dark with this tint on. So dark with this tint on. Oh my gosh. Folks in the right there. All right, cool. They right there. Cool. We got everybody. Real quick. Finna get off. About to go down 159th real quick, man. That's crazy, bro. All that traffic finna go on, folks. That's nuts. Can't even hold y'all. That's nuts. I might strike that next. I might strike his car next. He might be my next victim. Hey, gang. I might strike you next. I might strike your jailbreak next. Hold on, folks. What? You in eco mode? Why you in? I might strike yours next. I had to get that boy next, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, folks. I had to get that boy next. My mama, my boy trying to have me. Oh, what you doing? Don't cut me off. Don't cut me off, you sucker. Go get on that bummer. Get on her bummer. Don't cut me off like that, boy. Man, sit down, bro. We out here doing it bad right now. Yeah, gang. Oh my gosh, that bad boy sounds so good. Boy, come on, my boy. That curse little thing. Yeah. Throw that one in there. Woo. 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 Bang that thing. Bang that thing, Lottie. Bang that thing, Lottie. Bang that thing, Shorty. Yeah, Charlie. We see 12, we hit the lights. No bap. Love the E-Ways out here. Come on, man. We're gonna do our lit point of view, folks. I'm in traffic swinging it. None of my guys behind me. None of them behind me. Hold on. Tracky coming up. I need Tracky to come up. He coming up. My boy Glow real. I see you, shorty. Oh yeah, we outside right now. We outside right now. Yeah. Let's do it, gang. Okay, my boy. Y'all, so look, I think I'm gonna give y'all a how to use the paddle shifters. I'll probably drop that video for y'all this upcoming week. I'm doing another video. I'm gonna be doing another video. I'm gonna let my grandmother drive the Demon. It's gonna be her first time driving the SRT, so I'm definitely gonna let her drive the Demon so y'all can see that. That's gonna be litty. That's definitely gonna be litty. Oh, and flash them lights. Make sure I keep my hand down here so y'all can see the dash, bro. I keep putting my hand in the way. It's just a habit. Get them lights. Woo. Yeah. Let's get it. Y'all can see, man, we coming up on downtown right now, as y'all can see. Downtown, y'all see the skyline. Y'all can't see it. Y'all will see it in a minute. But hopefully. Jesus, so y'all ain't gonna lie to y'all. Hopefully y'all can see, folks. We got the skyline over here. Y'all can't really see what I'm trying to show y'all, but hold on real quick. Hopefully y'all can see. This how our skyline look, man, at nighttime, bro. Oh my gosh, there's so much traffic. We gotta get over there. y'all can't really see for real, bro. But our skyline is crazy when you coming up on it, bro. If you've never been to the rack, bro, our skyline is like got like one of the best skylines going down this E-way, for real. No cap. So we gotta get off on Roosevelt. So hopefully gang know. But it's always traffic coming right here though. Always traffic, bro. Like always traffic. But how y'all feel about this point of view, man? This POV. How y'all feel about this POV? How y'all feel about it? Cause look, check it out. We are driving a Striker Demon, but y'all can see the skyline is crazy at nighttime. Crazy at nighttime, bro. No cap, bro. Super crazy. Oh yeah, they got off. They know where they going. It's cracking downtown right now too. So it's probably like a lot of traffic because we do got NASCAR coming up in Chicago. So I know it's a lot of traffic right now. So probably another reason why it's traffic everywhere, bro. They shut down Lakeshore Drive. So as y'all can see, man. As y'all can see, we gotta deal with traffic. Man, Chicago skyline crazy. So we finna pick up one of the other homies and then we finna drive through downtown, man. Hopefully don't nobody get pulled over, but that almost like hopefully nobody get pulled over. That's all I'm gonna say, man. So us driving downtown, man, they be thirsty. Y'all know how that going. I ain't stopping, folks. So y'all might see a high-speed chase because I'm not stopping, bro. Swear to God, I'm not stopping, G. I will be going on a high-speed chase if they try to get behind me. Hey, see, no, because we is in a striker, but we in a striker. We can't pull over. And we getting out that jam because they got to catch 808. 808. They got to catch that. Y'all know what's going on. Bunch of cats. Y'all know what's going on. Got a bunch of cats. Y'all know what the vibes, man. Big superchargers. Big superchargers. Gel blast joints. Yeah. Yeah. Man, we got some great content in, man. Hope y'all stay tuned for the next video. I will be dropping my grandmother driving my Demon, or I will be dropping another video. So I hope y'all like this video, man. I hope y'all drop down a like. I hope y'all, sub to this channel, man. It's lit, bro. We outside. We finna get it cracking for y'all, man. I'm new to the YouTube, for real, man. We just hit 4K subs. So, man, keep turning your boy up, man. Road to 10K subs. And y'all know what's going on, man. We outie. Y'all know the vibes, man. Let's go ahead and get it. Y'all know what's going on. We in that eco mode. Yeah. Let's go ahead. Let's get it cracking, folks. Come on, let's do it for y'all, man. I might as well do it for y'all. Hold on. Coming around that curve real quick. Coming around that curve. This thing, I ain't even know. Ooh. We in that thing. Yeah, we in that thing. Big thing. But nah, for real, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. For sure, man. It's y'all boy Demon Time Mode, man. Y'all know what time it is, man. We finna get it cracking, bro. Oh my God. We finna have an accident, bro. He can't drive. Ooh, these people out here can't drive. But we outside. Yeah. Yes, sir. This y'all boy Demon Time Mode, man. We out of here, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned for the next video. Let's get it.